Hello student, find the K acid dissociation constant value when pKa of an acid is 3.85. Relation between pKa and Ka will be equal, pKa is equal to negative log of Ka. Value is given 3.85. So value of Ka is equal to negative antilog of pKa. So pK value is given 3.85. So P in this Ka acid dissociation constant is equal to minus antilog of 3.85. So here I have done here negative antilog of 3.85. I have written here and I separated them separately, and the 3 here 0.85 I had written here, minus 1 plus 1 over here. So this when it is negative, so we are doing like this. So minus 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. This goes into power, that it is 10 raised to power minus 4. It is written at last. Okay, with this and then we see the this difference between plus 1 and 0.85 is equal to 0.15. We will see the antilog table of 0.15. Suppose value is xyz, so we write on xyz and put one decimal after this x, so there will be xyz into 10 raised to power minus 4. This is the value for negative antilog of 3.85. Clear to you? Means they will give you in MCQ, so you search 10 raised to power minus 4. It is very little value. Okay, but this is the correct way to do it. Now find the pH of solution of hydronium ion concentration: 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4, 3.5 into 10 raised to power negative 4, and 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So here we have to see that what is the value over here. In all these cases pKa is less than 7. It is acidic in nature, but we will see the concentration is different. Here 3.5, here 0.4, here 2.5, right? So formula use: pH is equal to minus log of H ion concentration. I have directly put over here because I have given you so different time. This pH is equal to minus log of H ion concentration. Put this value and you will see that it is minus pH is equal to minus log of 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4, and separately I have seen that what is the value over here. Here I have written 4 minus log of 2.5, that is 4 minus 0.398, value is 3.602. So 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 having 3.602, 3.5 having value 3.456. Same way we had done, and here pH is equal to minus log of 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 4, value is little more, 4.398. So see here pH value is increased when the concentration is least. This is least